Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to sign out in Play Store. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Play Store app. Once you open your Play Store app, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply tap on the profile icon on the right hand side of the corner and tap on the downward arrow like icon. After you do so, tap on manage accounts on this device, and after this tap on the Google option. Once you do this, you can select any of the account you are using currently and tap on it, then tap on the three dots, then hit the remove account option. Once you do this, confirm the remove account. After doing this, you can go back in your Play Store, which will automatically reload as you are signed out from your Google account that is logged in the Play Store before. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.